Starting an intravenous infusion. First procedure, gather the equipment at bedside. Arranging things conserves time, energy, and avoid unnecessary stretching and twisting of the muscles of the nurse. Attach an IV fluid label. Place it on the container. Readable when bottle is turned upside down. The label is applied upside down so it can be read easily when the container is hanging up. Remove the tubing from the package and straighten it out. This is to facilitate access to the device. Slide the tubing clamp along the tubing until it is just below the drip chamber. Close the clamp. This is to facilitate its access. Leave the ends of the tubing covered with the plastic cups until the infusion is started. This will maintain the sterility of the ends of the tubing. Expose the insertion site of the bag or bottle by removing the protective cover. Remove the cup from the spike and insert the spike at the insertion site of the bag or bottle. This will connect the tubing set to the intravenous bottle or bag. Adjust the IV pole so that the container is suspended about 1 meter above the client's head. This height is needed to enable gravity to overcome venous pressure and facilitate flow of the solution into the vein. Squeeze the drip chamber gently until it is half full of solution. The drip chamber is partially filled with solution to prevent air from moving down the tubing. Prime the tubing. Remove the protective cup and hold the tubing over a container. Maintain the sterility of the end of the tubing and the cup. This is to prevent contamination of the equipment. Release the clamp and let the fluid run through the tubing until all bubbles are removed. Tap the tubing if necessary with your fingers to help the bubbles move. The tubing is primed to prevent the introduction of air into the client. Reclamp the tubing and replace the tubing cup. Maintain sterile techniques. This is to prevent contamination of the equipment. Perform hand hygiene. This is to prevent the spread of microorganisms.